In this question, we are considering a trade associated with 80 hats. Okay, it is given in the question that 80 hats, the cost when we are considering it is rupees 12 per hat. So the overall cost when we are considering that corresponds to 80 into 12, that is equal to 960 rupees. So this is the overall cost. Now we can see that each hat is sold at a profit of rupees 4.50. Okay, so what is the overall profit? We can see that the overall profit, it is equal to, we are dealing with sale associated with 80 hats. Profit per hat, it is 4.5. So 80 into 4.5, that is equal to 360 rupees. Okay, so we have the overall cost here, the overall profit here. So from this, we can now find out what is the total sales that is happening in this transaction. So that is equal to overall cost plus overall profit, and that value is 960 plus 360, that is equal to rupees 1320. So this is the total sales that is happening. Now, this total sales, when we are considering, we can see that it is of two categories. 30 of the hats, they were sold for 14 each. So what is the money that is coming in by the sale of these 30 hats? That is 30 number of hats sold per hat. The sale amount, it corresponds to 14. So 30 into 14, we can see that that is equal to 420. So this is the total money that comes in, the total sales amount pertaining to sale associated with 30 hats. So 1320 minus 420 when we are considering, we can see that the total sales amount associated with the sale pertaining to the remaining 50 hats, that will be equal to 900 rupees. Okay, we can see that total number of hats under consideration, it is equal to 80. So we have 50 plus 30, that is equal to 80. So we can see that the total sales associated with these 50 hats, the remaining hats, that is equal to 900. So what is the selling price of one hat? That corresponds to 900 divided by 50, and that is equal to rupees 18 per hat. Okay, so this is the second category or second type of hats that is getting sold here. So its selling price when we are considering, it corresponds to rupees 18 per hat, and that is option D. Okay, so we can see that altogether there are 30 hats sold at the rate of 14 per hat, 50 hats sold at the rate of 18 per hat, and that gives us the total sales amount that is equal to 1320. We have already seen the overall cost here that corresponds to 960. So that results in a profit of 360. Okay, so like that the calculation actually goes. Anyhow, we can see that at what price should the remaining be sold? That is what it is asked. We have identified that it should be sold for rupees 18 per hat. Option D will be the answer for this question.